everyone, I'm Cindy from Head Power, Guangdong Head Power Air Conditioning. Today I'm excited to announce our company has successfully exported a batch of central air conditioner to Poland. As a specialized manufacturer of various industrial air conditioners, we dedicate to provide high-quality central air conditioners, commercial air conditioners, special-purpose air conditioners, explosion pool air conditioner, and high-quality T3 high-temperature air conditioner. Our products has gained a very good reputation from many customers, both from our China and international, due to our products' excellent performance and reliable quality. Thank you for your support and attention. We look forward to more opportunity. Thank you.